Hi everyone, you are watching Mommy Alan channel. I live here in Borneo, Indonesia, and I record all my activity to share with you guys. I hope you like my channel and videos. Today I will share my activity to clean my bedroom, and I will change my bed sheet and my bed cover. As you can see, this room is very messy. There is stuff everywhere. There are also clothes on the bed, even they are also on the floor. So how do I fix all this? Please watch the video until it's finished. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so you will not miss my next videos. The first thing I have to do is to move all of these clothes to another room. Actually, I always clean my room and change the sheets once a week, but these 2 weeks I've been so busy that only today I have the time.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
I always start cleaning from the top, like from the top of the furniture to the bottom.
Every night, love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you.
I also have to clean the dust from the top of my skincare bottles.
I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changed.
I arrange my skincare bottles in small table shelf and in several boxes that I made from used cardboard.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you.
I also move them to another room so I can easily clean the floor and bed.
If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would.
I also move this round mat because usually there is a lot of dust underneath.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
Okay, now I start cleaning the floor.
It's been way too long.
I don't have a vacuum cleaner, I just use a regular broom. I have long hair. Some of the hair fell out and fell on the floor.
See you soon. If I can lay down beside you,
I will show you how disgusting hair and dust stick to my broom. Here guys, can you see? Oh my god. If your bed like mine with legs, then there is space under the bed and the space may be full of dust. Don't forget to clean it too.
you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now.
See again,
If I can
I take out the dust from under my bed. That's why I said you need to pay your attention to it and you really need to clean it.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need.
The room is clean now. Time to change bed sheet and bed cover
Even if you're gone, I will
with the new one.
remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Okay, it's finally finished. I hope my video is useful and encourage you to clean your own room. And if there is criticism and suggestions, please write in the comment columns. Thank you so much for watching my simple video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Take care, bye-bye. Terima kasih banyak buat yang udah menonton video sederhana saya. Jangan lupa like, comment, and share, dan subscribe. Sampai ketemu lagi di video selanjutnya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.